Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Have you seen from title that this video is for those who love nature and wanna see the world best sights and forests with their eyes. This video covers the 10 top forests in the world which you never seen before. Hope you will enjoy the video. So let's start. 10. The Amazon Rainforest, South America. The largest rainforest in the world, it dwarfs all other rainforests on Earth combined. There's arguably a greater diversity of flora and fauna found here than anywhere else on the planet. There's no way a simple picture can do this, or any of the forests listed here, true justice, but I'd love to experience it for myself. Nine. Sequoia National Forest, California. An entire forest named for the largest trees in the world, the sequoias. Above is an image of General Sherman, the tree with the single largest mass and volume in the world. It's older than the Roman Empire, nearly as tall as the Statue of Liberty, wider than all trees except the baobabs, and in 2006 lost a branch that was bigger than most full-grown trees. If you took just the trunk and dehydrated all the water out of it, it would still weigh over 1,000 tons. And yes, there's a whole forest full of trees just like it. 8. Redwood National Park, California. Home to the tallest trees in the world, I've actually seen a number of redwoods along the California and Oregon coasts, although I've never been to the eponymous national or state park. A forest of trees stretching upwards so high that you can't even see the treetops on a foggy day. This is too close for me to not see it, and soon. I really have no excuse. On the other hand, there are plenty of forests I want to see that would require a little more legwork. Seven. The Crooked Forest, Poland. The youngest forest on my list, the Crooked Forest was planted around 1930, and consists of around 400 oddly curved trees like this. Appearing to be normal pine trees in an otherwise unremarkable forest, it's thought that they're curved like this due to some hitherto undiscovered human intervention. So unique, it reminds me of Pearl Friar, and I'd love to get the chance to experience it for myself. 6. Jog Falls Environs, India. While most of India's primeval forest has changed dramatically thanks to human intervention, North Sentinel Island is not exactly on the list of places where I think I'd be welcomed. Jog Falls, on the other hand, is the largest waterfall in India, shown here during monsoon season, at its most spectacular. The entire western region of India is home to some of the greatest biodiversity in the world, and I'd love the chance to walk through the forested areas here. 5. Daintree Rainforest, Australia. The oldest surviving rainforest in the world, Daintree is among the most biodiverse regions in the world as far as plants, marsupials, insects and spiders are concerned. How could you not be intrigued? 4. Black Forest, Germany. Called black by the Romans because of how the dense conifers so successfully block out the sun even during the daytime, the Black Forest is dotted with lakes that formed from the melt at the end of the last ice age. The Black Forest contains 8 of the highest mountains in Europe, mountain peaks over 1,000 meters in elevation, thank you, Lassie at 2, and is home to unique animals found nowhere else, such as the giant earthworm. Pretty cool. 3. Juraigo Valley, Sichuan, China. I mean, just look at that picture, will you? Both an UNESCO World Heritage Site and a World Biosphere Reserve, this valley on the edge of the Tibetan Plateau is full of colorful lakes, multiple waterfalls, snow-capped peaks, and of course, beautiful primeval forests. 30 years ago, only 5,000 tourists visited this region each year. Now that number is well in excess of 1 million. And even though I know that increased human traffic means that keeping the site pristine takes more and more effort, I still want to see this for myself. 2. Beech Forest, Germany. Not so much a single place, as it is a collection of forest sites across many different nations. This is another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dominated by beech trees, they form an impressive canopy even in the winter, as this photo by Martin Hertel elegantly shows. And finally, 1. Sagano Bamboo Forest, Japan. I've never seen a forest like this before, and I didn't learn about it until years after I was in Japan. how was I to know that I was only a few kilometers away from this wonder when I spent time in Kyoto? The entire district of Arashiyama looks beautiful, but the Great Bamboo Forest is surely the great highlight. And that's a wonderful collection of my top 10 forests that I'd love to visit someday. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to comment on these choices, as well as to share any others that have connected with you. Hope you will enjoy, guys. Tell us in comment which forest you did like the most and where you wanna go with your friends. Tag them and tell us about your choice.